after you registered, you can, so you will get inside your Schoology account, and then you can join our course. I will give you the code of this course. So if you click My Course, and then join a course here, right? And then there's a code, okay? In this PowerPoint, you will see the code, okay? I have shown you the code. So basically type in this code, then you join. After you join once in the future, this course will just appear, okay, on your page. And then in this course, you can see there will be some online lecture, video clips. And the videos actually are links to YouTube, like that.
Hello everyone, my name is Wang.
Okay, so these are online lectures. Actually, some of the participants may not be able to come today, so they can actually study this online lecture, still gain the insight about this topic through these online lectures. But these are very different from today's lecture. They're different, so you should also watch them, okay, if you continue to participate in this course. And then in this online session, so other than watching the videos, you should do the quizzes attached to each video clip. And then you are most welcome to join our competition. So basically, we would like to encourage you to design teaching and learning materials based on parallel corpus data. And I have given you some examples here. So here there is a grouping table. We would like you to get into groups of 2, okay, to work on any topic you prefer. So you can put your names in this table to form groups. Then you can prepare for a presentation, something like that. Okay. You don't need to produce a video. Okay, this is just the format of presentation. So the week after next week, so 2 weeks from now, I think March the 8th, okay, so you will come here again and give a presentation about the designed teaching package, okay, to the whole audience. And then you should also upload your package on this page just by posting a comment and attach your file, so everybody else can download it and look at your teaching package. And then the other groups should comment on this package. Okay, there are instructions written here. So basically, this is part of the preparation for your competition. So when you finish doing all this, and then you did the presentation, you will get a lot of comments, feedback. Then you can polish your whole package. Then you can submit to us for the competition. Then we will have winners. I think top prize, you can get several $100s of iWork hours or ways we can award you, I think. So you're most encouraged to participate in this competition. Okay, so now let's start today's lecture first. So since you're here, may I ask, have you attended the last seminars? Can you raise your hand? Okay, so a few of you, okay, attended Dr. Ma's seminars, right? Okay, so you know about corpus, right? So I will not talk about the basics of corpus here, okay, because I presume you have some basic ideas of corpus. So today I will focus on parallel corpus studies, okay, parallel corpus. So first I would like to introduce to you what is parallel corpus, what is parallel concordancing. Then I will talk to you about the English-Chinese parallel concordancer program I developed myself and how you use this tool to do comparative language studies, okay? And then at the end, we will have Q&A session. So what is a parallel corpus? you might want to know. Basically, a parallel corpus is a corpus that contains a collection of original texts in language L1 and their translations into a set of languages L2, L3, Ln. Okay? But in most cases, parallel corpora contain data from only 2 languages, like English, Chinese parallel corpus, okay, or Chinese, French parallel corpus. It's quite typical. What can we do with parallel corpus? Why parallel corpus? Okay, well, a parallel corpus can provide rich context for comparing different languages, okay, comparing English with Chinese, etc. And it can be a useful source for developing language teaching and learning materials. I will show you how to do that. And you can imagine, okay, it will be extremely valuable for translation studies, okay. If you're interested in translation studies, this is a wonderful tool, okay. So let me just show you some existing parallel corpora. Corpora is the plural form of corpus, okay. Parallel corpora around the world. Okay, have you heard of Tatoeba? Okay, this is really cute. If you want to go abroad, for example, to a country, maybe Korea or whatever country, or France, and you want to learn some basic phrases, okay, this site is wonderful for that purpose. So it's not really a corpus of proper text. It's a corpus of sentences. So they have a huge collection of sentences, like for daily uses, for example, for tourism, etc. And then you can search for a certain word, and the corpus will show you sample sentences containing that word, and all the translations in how many languages? Maybe a lot of languages. Okay, see here, so many languages, hundreds of them. For example, let's choose English first. Okay, let's choose English. Translate into, let's say any language. So let's see all the languages. What words do you want to search? Any words you want to search? Okay, maybe we want to look for a place. Maybe where is that? Okay, let's just search for where. Okay, and search, and then this. Okay, it just shows the word well. Okay, well. So what language is that? Chinese is 哪里? Okay, from where? Okay. Where to? Okay, where are you? Where were you, etc. Where is Paris, etc. You can see where is Paris in 49 different languages, including Japanese, etc. Okay, so basically it's a kind of a interesting tool, okay, for you to find that sentence in any language. You know what? People use this to play PUBG game. You know PUBG, the shooting game online, and you meet a lot of people around the world, but you don't know their language, like it's a Korean. So you translate this into Korean, you copy and paste that in the text message and send it to the people, and they can know what you want to tell them. Okay, it's kind of cute. So anyway, this is just like an online database of a huge number of sentences that you might find useful. Okay, like a resource. Then there is another website called the Open Parallel Corpus. Well, this is more serious. So it's a huge corpus project. What can you do is, for example, you click on Opus, okay, corpus query. You click on book. You click on English and French. Okay. Sorry, you click English as the search language, then you can align with any other language, for example, French, right? So you can search a word like well, for example, and you can choose select, and then the software will immediately find all the examples. Well, you said 20, so you will get 20 examples of where from the corpus, the English corpus, the books. Okay, these are all English books, and then the French